Hello student, today's topic is lichen. In this topic you will study what is lichen, then types of lichen, internal structure of lichen and uses of lichen. Let's begin with the topic. First, what is lichen? Lichen, it is a symbiotic association between algae and fungi. See here, this is internal structure of lichen. In this green color algal cells are there, which belong to cyanobacteria, that is blue-green alga or green alga, and these are the fungal hyphae. Here there is a mutualism or symbiosis, means association in which both partners get benefited. It is relationship for benefit of both partner. It is positive type of interaction in which fungi absorb water and mineral provided to the alga, and in return alga synthesizes food and provide it to the fungal hyphae, and fungi also give shelter to this algae. This algal member called as photobiont or phycobiont and fungal members called as mycobiont. It is positive type of interaction. See, same diagram. This yellow color structure, these are the fungal hyphae, and this green color, these are the algal cell. Types of lichen. First one, fructicose. These are shrub-like or hair-like or finger-like. Branch one. Then foliose means leaf-like. Crustose, crust-like, tight against the substrate. Then squamulous lichen, intermediate between this crustose and foliose lichen. Main three types: crustose lichen, crust-like, foliose lichen, leaf-like, and fructicose lichen. These are hair-like or finger-like and branch shrubby. Then economic importance of lichen. They are used as a dye or coloring agent. Then usnic acid from usnia, it is used as antimicrobial in China. Erythrolitymine, this is a dye in litmus paper. It is also extracted from lichen. You know that this litmus paper, it is used to check pH. Then food for tundra herbivores such as reindeer and caribou. Then some lichen and their acid cause allergic contact deformities. And some lichen, they are poisonous one. See, lichen used as a food. They are used as dyes, for example in litmus paper. Then some lichen, they are used for the preparation of perfume. Then they are also used in soap. Some they are bioactive compound used as antiviral and antibacterial. Then some they are used as a nesting and bedding material, and some lichen they are poisonous one. Let's see again. Lichen, symbiotic association between alga and fungi. Fungi provide water, mineral, and also protect the alga or provide shelter to the alga, and in return alga gives food material to the fungi. Types 3. Crustose lichen, these are crustose lichen, foliose lichen, leaf-like, and fructicose lichen, finger-like projection or branch shrubby lichen. Same diagram. Then uses of lichen. See here, one use which is most important. It is used for breakdown of rock into the soil. Lichen form the pioneer community of ecosystem. They break the rock by secreting acid into the soil. Then other community inhabit that soil. Then food source. Next, natural dye extracted from lichen. Then some they are poisonous one, used as wolf killer. See, 2 points are most important. First, they form the soil, and second, they are indicator of pollution. Means like lichen, they are seen in area where there is no pollution. Means they are seen only in unpolluted area, and area where lichens are absent means that area is polluted one. So 2 points are most important. First, they form the soil, and second, they are indicator of the pollution. Thank you.